Hello friends, now we are going to study Newton-Raphson method. So before starting Newton-Raphson method in power system, first we will understand the basic of Newton-Raphson method in mathematics. So let us assume we have to search out for the solution. It has been given f1 of x1 x2 is equal to 0, means this is the nonlinear equation, means x1 square plus root over x1 x2 is equal to 0. This is first equation, and this is f2 x1 of x2 is equal to 0, and here it will be root of x1 plus root of x2 is equal to 0. So we have two nonlinear equation and we have to find out solution of these equation means value of x1 will be what and the value of x2 will be what. So if we have been given the two nonlinear equation and we have to find out the solution for x1 and x2, then what we will do, we cannot simply solve this nonlinear equation. So what we have to do, apply the nonlinear technique. So previously we applied Gauss-Seidel method and now we are going to apply the Newton-Raphson method. So first we will understand the basics. Let us assume any value x1 naught and x2 naught. If this value has been given in the question, then it is okay. Otherwise we can take any value x1 naught and x2 1, then we can find out the final solution. If by putting the x1 naught and x2 naught value in the first second equation, if f1 of x1 naught x2 naught is equal to 0, or we can say f2 of x1 naught x2 naught is equal to 0, then x1 naught and x2 naught will be our final solution. Remember guys, when in the class 10th or 11 we used to verify our solution that whether we calculated right or wrong, then we put all the values of x1 x2 and x3 in the equation, and if left hand side is equal to right hand side, means our answer was right. In the same way, if we are putting the value of x1 naught and x2 naught, then if it is coming out to be 0, means it is satisfying this equation, then we can say this x1 naught and x2 naught will be our final solution. But what happen if this value not equal to 0, means if this not equal to 0, means f1 x1 naught x2 naught is not equal to 0 and f2 x1 naught x2 naught is not equal to 0, then what will happen? If these values are not solution, then we have to add something. x1 1 is equal to x1 naught plus delta x1, and we have to add x2 1 is equal to x2 naught plus delta x2. So if x1 x2 was not the solution, then if we are adding delta x1 and delta x2 correctly, then what will happen? If right now if we are finding f1 x1 1 and x2 1, means I am writing it in detail. If f1 of x1 naught plus delta x1 comma x2 naught plus delta x2 is equal to 0, and same for the second, f2 of x1 1 x2 1 is equal to f2 of x1 naught plus delta x1 x2 naught plus delta x2 is equal to 0, then means we are finding out the value of delta x1 and delta x2 in such a way that f1 this value will become 0. So we have these two equations. Now we are going to apply the Taylor's theorem. Now if we have this value f1 of x1 naught plus delta x1 comma x2 naught plus delta x2 is equal to 0. So how we can write the equation? So simply we can write in terms of f1 of x1 naught comma x2 naught plus del of f1 upon del of x1 into delta x1 plus del of f1 upon del x2 into delta x2 will be equal to 0. You will see delta x1 instead of h in this equation. So in the same way we can write the second equation. This is first equation, and the second equation will be in terms of f2. So f2 x1 naught comma x2 naught plus delta of f2 upon delta of x1 into delta x1 plus delta of f2 upon delta of x2 into delta x2 will be equal to 0. This is equation number 2. So we have two equation, and we can write the first equation and second equation like in terms of matrix. So what we will do, we can throw this f1 and x1 to the right hand side. So we can easily write this will be delta f1 upon delta x1. This will be delta f1 upon delta x2. This will be delta f2 upon delta x1. This will be delta f2 upon delta x2. And here we can write delta of x1 delta of x2 is equal to minus of f1 of x1 naught x2 naught and f2 of x1 naught and x2 naught. So we are using iterative method to solve this. So this is value 0, means delta f1 upon delta x1. How we can write this means whatever the value of f1 written here, so we will derivate delta f1 upon delta x1. Let us assume we are derivating the equation number 1. So it will be 2x1 plus 1 upon root x1 x2, and in between if x1 has been derivated, so it will be equal to x2. So this will be the derivation. So what we are going to put the value 0 0 0 0 here. So those are the values, numeric values. So this value will be in numeric. So this value will be in numeric, and this value will be in numeric, and this value will be in numeric, this value will be numeric. So these are the numeric values, and this is not equal to 0 here in the first f1 x1 x2 and f2 x1 x2 we have seen. So we can easily see that these are the numeric value and these are the numeric value. And if we want to calculate the value of delta x1, so simply we can calculate. So delta x1 we can easily calculate. This is also called as Jacobian matrix. This is also called as Jacobian matrix. So Jacobian matrix. So if we can represent this by J naught, because J naught we know that this is a naught value. So delta x1 x2, if you want to find out delta x1 means increment, so this will be minus of J naught inverse. Here it can be written as f1 of x1 naught and x2 naught, and here it will be x2 f2 x1 naught and x2 naught. So guys, we can see here delta x1 delta x2 value we have verified here. So delta x1 and delta x2 we have verified, and we will cross check here if again this value will be equal to 0, or f1 value x1 1 x2 1, it is either 0 or less than or equal to some specified value, or f2 x1 1 x2 1 or less than a specified value, then this will be our final solution, means delta x1 and delta x2 value will be right, and the x1 1 and x2 1 will be our final solution. If not, then we will calculate the next value as we have discussed here. So here we discussed the mathematical approach of Newton-Raphson method. In the next lecture we are going to see the application of Newton-Raphson method in power system load flow. Thank you.